There are several different methods that you can prepare a teepee, or you can do a log cabin, or some people will like to even cheat and just take pencil-sized sticks and throw it on the flames in order to get a fire going. But the most bomb-proof method by far is the teepee, and the most common. When building a teepee, you want to take 4 larger sized sticks, a little bit longer, sharpen one end, jam it into the ground, and we're going to build a form. And within that teepee, you want to leave a doorway on the front so that you can fill the center of this with your tinder and your different size sticks. Now, once you get your form completed, then you're going to take your pencil lead size all the way up to pencil size and just put it around the exterior. And that form helps support those materials. You want to jam it up close so that the fire, once you do get the tinder lit, the flame will wick against the sticks. If you have a gap in between and that space isn't filled, that can be problematic. So make sure you pack it in close and then start adding your larger sticks on top of that. And we're going to layer these up until we've got all of our sticks placed on. And our teepee fire will be done. Something important to remember is that you also want to protect the base of your tinder down here by putting some leaves or split sticks or something along those lines so that that tinder doesn't wick up that moisture. And you're just going to add perpetually larger sticks as you go. And then once we get this lit, it's a bomb-proof method for making sure that once you do get that tinder lit, that it is going to go, because you don't want to spend all that time and effort making a coal and then have your main fire go out. Once you get your teepee form completed, then you essentially have to fill your doorway with your medium material. And all I've got is some dry leaves here. You can use grass, and if you want to take the time, you can use all cedar bark, but it takes a while to gather that material, so leaves is usually a better option. And then I've been keeping the tinder in my pocket to keep it dry. And I'm going to take a small section of this, maybe a third of it, and place it in the doorway of my teepee. And that will help the material actually take off. And we want to take that material and fluff it up. Very fibrous, hairy material. And we want to kind of place it up under the leaves and then jam pack the top of the teepee with those leaves. You don't want to have a gap, because if you have a fire down here and the flames aren't wicking enough of the limbs in order to catch them, that can end up being a problem. So one more time, just jam your tinder in here. Make a little cubby hole. And then once we light our bow drill, tinder pile, we'll take that and we'll feed it into that, and the whole thing will go up.